Hey, good morning, everyone. What's going on? What's going on? We have another day in the markets today, this Thursday, July 11, 2019. Let's get it going. So, what did we see yesterday in the market? Obviously, after the Fed chatter talking about cutting rates, we obviously saw some sell-off, which was interesting. Obviously, you had the move to the upside going into the close, but you're gonna obviously you also saw some solid movement after hours and pre-mark. We have a little bit of a gap up in SPY, so it could be an interesting day today. We may see some solid runners in from big names across the sector board. Yesterday, SPY closed up a little shy of a point and a half. Sector-wise, I think we were what eight out of 11 closed green. Energy was at top. Financials pulled up the rear all day actually. So today we got going in to the session. We have five on our watch. We got some long, some short. So let's get into it. So Tesla, as you can see, running pretty strong. Technically looking quite nice. That 50 days holding securely on the daily. And across the board, obviously, you have some action after hours and obviously pre-market as well. So we like it continues to the upside. You know, it definitely has its eye on that 200. You know, there's plenty of space before that level will get breached. But that being said, momentum's on its side, and we like it to the upside as of right now. NDV was a little bit kind of weak yesterday. Obviously, you know, had a solid gap up in the morning, took some books and profits, and then it just faded out and kind of just traded below VWAP all day long, as you can see, right? So it just could not get any kind of bullish move to the upside at all. Tried a little bit midday, but as you can see, VWAP stuffed it out. But again, you know, overall, this is, you know, we're definitely bullish on this security. We like it to that, like we keep saying, 175. So, you know, pulls back a little bit, not a problem at all. We'll wait for it to, you know, obviously have its second tier run to the upside, and we will mitigate risk when the time is right. So next up, we got Baba. Baba, as you can see, you know, had some action after hours and a little bit of love pre-market so far. So, you know, it's holding that the 50. Obviously, the 200 is kind of trading flat, which is nice. Whenever you see that on the daily, it's a pretty strong support level. So, you know, if it pulls back, let it pull back to the 200. It's going to be a nice, very solid buy opportunity for us. So, you know, we're going to keep an eye on it. You know, if it gives us an opportunity to mitigate risk to the upside, we'll take it. Otherwise, we'll just wait it out and see if this thing can pull back to the 200 for an optimal entry to the upside. Facebook, obviously, as you can see, getting some love last night and this morning as well. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what the boys are gonna do with this security after the dust settle. Obviously, cracking that 200 yesterday, and you know, remaining above after hours and pre-markets. We'll see if it's going to continue that run. It's going to come back down, but you know, it's looking pretty strong. So we'll see if the sentiment overall is going to keep it moving. If so, we will enjoy it to the upside as well. QCOM, QCOM, as you can see, excuse me, had obviously some selling going into the bell, and you know, didn't really do much after hours. A few shares traded here and there, a few shares this morning as well, but it's just looking weak. It's cracking through to the downside on the 50. So you know, it's not strong in our opinion. Technically, we're not. We think the curl is in. We think we're going to see some selling pressure, so we like to the downside. We're also looking at NVDA, but we're not pulling that up just yet. We're going to keep an eye on this thing. It has a little bit of love to the upside pre-market, but we got five right now going into our session, so that's what we're concentrating on. We're going to see once the dust settles. Obviously, SPY selling off as we speak, so we're going to see. Maybe we're going to have a little bit of reversal today, but obviously, like we always do, we wait. We wait for the trend to set in, let the dust settle, and we'll step in and mitigate risk. As always, guys, we're here for you. You want to check out the street trading, see how we're doing it, how we're picking these stocks, how we're building our watch list. You always come check out the 90-day course we have. You can ask any questions for us, answer that question why. Whatever you have, any questions you have for us, reach out to us, email us, give us a call, whatever's easier for you. We're here for you. As always, guys, stick with your stops, be very diligent with your setups, and let price come to you. As always, guys, have a great day in the markets. Be safe, and we will check you